Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vanya and today is a very special day. Today is day 1 of my 75 heart challenge. I woke up at 5 a.m. Right now I'm going running with my sister and my cousin brother to promenade. So I'm going there for the first time, so that will be fun. So I haven't done a running session since a very long time, so that will be very interesting. Also, I will be explaining what the 75 hard challenge is. Basically, there are 5 things that I need to follow for 75 days. The first rule is a 45-minute workout at home or like indoor activity, something indoor. So like gym is considered an indoor workout. 45 minutes of an outdoor workout. Then the third thing is no alcohol consumption, which won't be a problem for me, so that's great. The fourth thing is you have to follow some diet, any diet of your choice, but follow it strictly. I am following a no sugar and calorie deficit diet because I want to lose some weight and also gain some muscle. And the fifth point is to have a gallon of water, which is approximately like 3.7 liters of water, but that's like for men. For me, 2.5 liters is enough. Oh, and one more thing is I have to read 10 pages of a self-help book or a non-fiction book basically every day. So yeah, 6 things actually that I need to follow.
The first thing I did this morning was check my weight to track my progress. I've decided I'm going to do that every day. Today my weight was 57.6 kilos. Then I quickly put on my running shoes, grabbed a banana for some pre-run energy, and made my way to promenade to start the day.
The first day of my run. 1 किलोमीटर भी नहीं भागे जा रहा भाई मुझसे, दुख रहा है सब कुछ। मेरी बहन का पीछे है कहीं पे, तो व्यू बहुत अच्छा है, सो दैट्स गुड। 1.5 किलोमीटर अभी 2 मिनट और साइड में 5 शरीर पूरा रेड हो चुका है।
All that I could think of while running was some yummy breakfast, and the time was finally here.
It was a fun first half of the day. Bahna bach gaya somehow. Hi guys. Okay, so a little midday update because I think it's a bit needed. तो बेसिकली मैं सुबह रनिंग वनिंग होकर आई, मैं, मेरी बहन, मेरा लाइक कज़न भाई, तो हम लोग गए एंड इट वॉज सो फन एक्चुअली। मैं मेरी बहन 2 किलोमीटर भागे, बट हमने थोड़ा आई थिंक 1 किलोमीटर अराउंड वॉक तो कर ही लिया है। देन वी वेंट टू दिस रियली नाइस कैफे इन बांद्रा। वी डिड like a nice healthy breakfast. We came back at like 12 p.m. मैंने अभी पूरा अपना नहा धो ली मैं. I washed my hair because it was like so sticky and like it's so humid actually. Even though हम इतना सुबह गए भागने, but इतना ज़्यादा humid है, just like Mumbai weather. I don't know why I chose to wear full sleeves and like full pants. पता नहीं, पागल थोड़ी सी मैं तो। मेरे को मेरे नानू के साथ जाना है बैंक, बिकॉज यू नो ये बैंक वाले लोग ना बस मुझे बुलाते ही रहते हैं। लाइक फॉर सम रीजन जब से मैं 18 ईयर्स की हुई ना, दे जस्ट नीड मी टू कम टू द बैंक एंड साइन स्टफ। दे रियली लाइक मी। आई फील दैट इज द ओनली रीजन दे कॉल मी इतने सारे बार, मतलब इतने एक बार बुलाते हैं जो इतनी सारी बार।
Lunch, I had some gatte ki sabzi, and after quickly finishing my meal, I sat down to edit a reel, which for some reason was taking forever.
I was editing one of the reels that I need to post today, and I realized that I haven't filled my 1.2 liter water bottle that I need to drink water from. So I am now in the kitchen trying to find that bottle because I haven't used it in a while. Oh, here it is. I need to be... See, this is my bottle. I need to wash it and then I need to use this bottle because before this day ends, I need to have like 3 liters of water, which is 2.5 of this bottle. Okay, so the plan for a day was that I had to edit a reel and post it too. I had to shoot a YouTube video. I also had to edit a whole vlog. So right now it's 6:30 p.m. and I had planned on finishing gym by 7 p.m. but I haven't left my house yet, so I am late for that. But the good news is that I completed the editing and I posted the reel and the short. I also shot my YouTube video, so that's great. The only thing that's left on my to-do list is the editing of the larger YouTube vlog. Overall, I feel very nice because I woke up super early. Like I woke up at 5 a.m. for the run. It was a very productive day in general. I'm just wondering मेरा जब कॉलेज स्टार्ट होगा तो मैं ये सब कैसे फॉलो करूँगी, बिकॉज मेरा 75 हार्ट चैलेंज आज कैच 14 जुलाई है, तो मेरा 75 हार्ट चैलेंज जब तक ख़त्म होगा तब तक मेरा कॉलेज स्टार्ट हो चुका होगा. दैट इज़ गोइंग टू बी द रियल चैलेंज. आई फील it is hard enough already because I've just started my YouTube channel with college. I have no idea how I'm going to do this, but we'll see. Today is day one and I think day one will be very successful. So I'm done with gym. I did like a quick 45 minutes of workout. I did back and biceps today. A great session. Biceps में थोड़ा end में मेरा दिमाग खराब हो गया because आप ऊपर जा नहीं रहे थे मेरे, तब के I was using 2.5 kg count only, but it's fine. I did it, so that's one task. So I'm back from the gym and I was very hungry, so I thought मैं पहले dinner कर लेती हूँ, फिर I'll go take a bath. So guess what's for dinner? It's my favorite chicken and roti. I've had enough protein today. मैंने breakfast में भी chicken खाया था. I did not have sugar at all. Lunch में I had गट्टे की सब्जी, which also has some protein, is what I was told. It also has some fibers, but I think उसमें थोड़ा सा oil था. Because living in an Indian household, I don't think I can avoid oil unless I make my own food. I have also decided to make my own lunch and breakfast. That will be a task because I don't know how to cook. I feel like मैं सिर्फ अंडे खाने वाली हूँ. Like breakfast में भी अंडा बना लूँगी, lunch में भी अंडा बना लूँगी, बस अलग अलग टाइप का, because मुझे नहीं आता है बनाना. मुझे इतना सा भी आइडिया नहीं है, कुछ भी सब्जी वब्जी कुछ नहीं आता मुझे बनाना. It's going to be eggs only I feel and salads maybe. वो उसका भी मेरे को रेसिपी देखना पड़ेगा, लेकिन इन सब चीज़ों को भी रेसिपी देख के ही बना पाऊँगी. मैं बिना रेसिपी देख के नहीं बना पाऊँगी कुछ भी. एटलीस्ट जब तक मेरे पास टाइम है, टाइम एज जब तक मेरा कॉलेज नहीं स्टार्ट हो रहा तब तक आई कैन मेक माई ओन लंच. उसके बाद आई डोंट थिंक मेरे को टाइम मिलने वाला है बिल्कुल भी. उसके बाद मुझे बस बोलना पड़ेगा मम्मी को कि प्लीज़ तेल मत डालो.
So after my yummy dinner, I started reading this book called Get Better or Get Beaten. I think it's like a corporate leadership type book, so I don't know if it's like relevant for me. I'm really happy I was able to complete everything I had planned for today. That's it for day one. I'll see you guys in the next video. So bye.